Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're coming across this YouTube channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Natasha. I am Zambian, but I currently live in China. Into the regular degulas, the actual besties of this channel. Hi bestie, hi my aunt, hi my doll, hi Kisana. I hope you're well. As you guys know, we do a lot of adventures on this channel. We are going on another adventure. I will be going to a Chinese salon this time to have a wig installed. I have never in my life been to a Chinese salon to have them install a wig. I mean, I've gone to a Chinese salon to actually have my hair washed, but I've never tried this before. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see how it's gonna work. Is this gonna work? Is this another something? But I am excited. Sadly, I do not have a new wig, but if you're a hair company and you'd like to work with me, I'm gonna leave my details in the description. I'm gonna leave my email address. You guys can email me for some work, and I'm open to working with you guys. Do not forget to check the description for my details. Okay, so I was thinking of having them install this wig. These are my old wigs. I washed them yesterday, so they're very clean. I was thinking of going with this one, but deep down I know I want this bulb installed, so I'm just gonna go with this bulb. So we're going to have them install this bulb. I will vlog the entire process. Let's get right into the video. But if you haven't already, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free, and we would love to have you part of this family. Join the besties by just hitting the subscribe button, turning on the notification bell down here, somewhere here. Like, you gotta join the besties. Like, you gotta join the besties. This is not even a joke, okay? This is not even a joke. You gotta join the besties somewhere here. Press the subscribe button, share this video, leave a comment. That's what the besties on this channel do. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay. Guys, I made it to the salon. I'm just waiting for my hairdresser now. Also, they're playing music. I have a feeling this will copyright. But I did bring my own hot comb just in case they need to lay it, and a thing to tie my hair, because I don't know, Sana. And a hot comb just in case they don't have one here, and bonnet, and a what do you call this? I don't know what you call this really. Is this angle okay? Or maybe you should put it like this. Yeah, I think this is the best.
My world with you. hood and get your ass an apartment. Put you inside a D-class, that's just the start. It get plenty things kinda nice, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, it's chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. Your boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I was still getting clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, to waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. Use your brain, just take our time to waste it with me.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a pattern on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what?
This is the finished look. I feel like we could do more, but like I like how he toned the hair, and like the install is not that. Added the color to it. Love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.